Hi, everybody. This is Tom. And when I taught first and second grades, I often had to teach subtraction with regrouping. When I did that, I would often use a story that I told my students. I use stories off and on during math, but this was a popular one. And it went like this. 5 turned to 7 and said, 7, I want to play with you. And 7 said, you can't play with me. You're too little. You have to get bigger. So 5 said, okay, hold on. I'll be right back. So 5 went next door in the snow. I always use snow because I'm from Michigan and my students would get a kick out of these stories that included snow. And 5 said to 6, 6, I need a 10. And 6 said, no problem. Just don't forget to cross me off. So he crossed off the 6 and wrote a 5 up here. And then 5 went back in the snow and dropped the 10 right here and put a circle around it. And so now 5 was a 15. And so 15 said to 7, 7, I can play with you now. And 7 said, no, you're way too big. You got to come down because you are too big to play with me at recess, we would say sometimes. And so 15 said, well, how far do I have to come down? And 7 said, well, let me put some stairs here for you and you can see. So he put 7 and it would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then he put some handrails on the stairs so he didn't fall. And then he counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and he wrote 8 here. And now 15 could play with 7 because 15 came down 8 stairs. And then over here, 5 looked down at 2 and said, 2, I want to play with you too. And so 2 said, okay, you gotta come down too. And so 2 wrote some stairs here. 1, 2, oh, actually it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, and put a box around it. And 5 had to come down 3 stairs to play with 2. And so then we put the 3 here. And so 65 minus 27 is 38. And my students really got a kick out of telling this story